Hello guys and welcome. I hope that you're having a good day or good morning or good evening. This is I play 4K, aka I play 16K, and during this video guys today I'm going to show you Starcraft or Starcraft Legacy rendered in 16K resolution or 133 megapixels resolution rendered in real time, then downscale to 8K resolution native. Let me real quick go ahead and show you my desktop settings. My desktop is currently running at 16K resolution, which is 15,360 pixels by 8640. I'm coming in real time. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm recording with the shadow play, so it's recording at 8K native resolution. Okay, and hopefully I'm going to upload this as a 8K resolution video if YouTube will give me some issues, because lately YouTube giving me some issues with the 8K resolution uploads. Somehow it doesn't process it at all with the error. Sometimes it's only processing up to 1080p, not even showing 4K resolution. I'm not sure why guys, but if YouTube will give me an issue at 8K resolution video upload, then I'm going to downscale it and recompress it at 4K resolution. But today is not the pixel comparison video. This video is not about the gameplay. This video guys is to show you the world's first hardware that is capable to run StarCraft 2 at 16K resolution and render it at 16K resolution guys in real time. Okay, so pretty much on a 16K resolution native you will have the same performance plus minus 3 FPS, because I'm still rendering 16K resolution pixels in real time, 15,360 pixels by 8640 pixels, and then I downscaling it to 8K resolution native. Today I'm running it on an 8K resolution native TV. As you can see on the screen, this is going to be my real hardware, which is the EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti XE Ultra single video card. I removed my secondary EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti video card, and I'm using the Corsair i9. I'm using the to cool down my i9 9900K overclock at 5300 megahertz or 5.3 gigahertz. I'm using the Corsair H150i Pro hybrid water cooler, as you can see. And I'm using also 32 gigabyte of cheapest possible DDR4, which is 2133 megahertz CL13. Guys, when you're running resolution 4K and above, it doesn't matter what kind of DDR4 frequency you have, guys. Believe me, maximum if you're gonna play on it, you're going to receive 2 FPS extra with DDR4 clock at 5 gigahertz. Okay. And I'm going to create a video when I'm going to compare it. And as again, this is one situation with the resolution above 4K resolution. At the 4K resolution, maybe you're going to receive 3-4 FPS sometimes when you're running 5000 megahertz at the lowest possible CL. But as again, I'm going to create an individual video when I'm going to compare the DDR4 performance guys in the games and stuff like that and different resolutions. But as again, this is 16K resolution video. Let's go ahead and get going guys. I'm going to go ahead and execute the Starcraft. As again, Starcraft or Starcraft Legacy guys. My video card, as you saw, was overclocked by 100 MHz on the GPU and by 2000 MHz on the VRAM. Even if it says 1000 MHz on the MSI Afterburner, it's overclocked to 2000 MHz external frequency on our VRAM. So I'm running VRAM at 16,000 MHz. Wow, I forgot to reset my, let me real quick go ahead and do it, MSI Afterburner. I'm going to use maximum possible things at maximum possible font as possible. So this is the maximum possible scale under the MSI Afterburner Viva Tuner Statistics server, under the highest possible font in 2019. I'm going to guys play the replay for you. Hold on. I don't need that. Let me quit that. Maybe disable. We need no LAN functions. I want to go single player. I don't want to play the multiplayer. So it's going to be Blood War. And I'm going to play some replay. WCG final of 2009. But as again, this is not about the gameplay. So it's going to be short, because I will try to upload this video at 8K resolution. But as again, you don't want to compare the pixels. Anybody in adult stage understand 8K resolution and 16K resolution. There is a pixel density, and there is 16K resolution much better than 8K resolution, as well as 4K resolution and 8K resolution comparison. 8K resolution will dominate 4K resolution with anything. You don't need to prove anything unless you're not adult and you want to see some proofs. But anyways, the reason of this video is the performance, guys. Look at this, 246 FPS in real time, and milliseconds delay, frame time delay, latency delay below 5 milliseconds. This is impressive results, guys. Keep in mind my system RAM usage 14,000 megabytes. See that second value after the frequency on the VRAM. So my VRAM usage is 7,153 megabytes. Clock at frequency 16,000 megahertz on the VRAM on our video card RTX 2080 Ti. But system RAM, guys, usage is 14,000 megabytes. And what happens here, 14,000 megabytes, guys, means that we overloading our VRAM. And my VRAM usage is probably 11,000 or something like 11,000 megabytes. And driver automatically, when it comes over the 10,000 megabytes, it's kind of helping out the video card. It thinks that it's not going to crash, and it's helping out the video card to avoid the crashes, and it's unloading some data into the system RAM. But because at 4K resolution, my system RAM usage will be about 9,000 megabytes usage. But to find out for sure if we need more VRAM than 10,000 megabytes, because it's kind of release the stress from the 10,000, it should be usage should be like almost 11,000 megabytes on the VRAM, but it says 7,153 megabytes, guys. So it's gonna unload the data into the VRAM, into the system RAM from the VRAM, and the VRAM should be about 9,000 megabytes, not 14,500 megabytes. And to find out, guys, if it's true or not, when I'm going to compare with Titan RTX single video card, the reason why I'm using today's single video card, because we're using the OpenGL API, and OpenGL API that's used in the Starcraft or Starcraft Legacy doesn't support the SLI. But still, the FPS is amazing, guys. For 240 FPS screens, 240 hertz screens, you're going to be good to go, and you can play, guys. So if you have 8K resolution screen, guys, and you want to go above 8K resolution and still receive that beautiful pixel density and amazing things, and to go ahead and use the GSR to 16K resolution and downscale it to 8K resolution, you can do it, guys, on a single RTX 2080 Ti video card or on a Turing GPU architecture. Turing GPU architecture by NVIDIA is the first GPU architecture that allows guys to run a lot of classic games at 16K resolution. And over the iPlay4k.com YouTube channel, guys, I'm going to demonstrate you a lot of old school games, guys, at 16K resolution. Okay, keep that in mind, and this is one of them. I'm also going to record the Starcraft remaster version at 16K resolution just to compare, and Starcraft 2 as well on a single RTX 2080 Ti as well as on the Titan RTX. As again, Turing GPU architecture allows us to play it, guys, I think due to the large cache on the GPU, guys, much larger than Maxwell GPU architecture, almost by 2 times, and even larger than under the Pascal GPU architecture. I'm pretty sure that Maxwell GPU architecture was crashing here, guys, and Maxwell GPU architecture wasn't allow us to run Counter-Strike Go at 16K resolution, even with 4 Titan X Maxwell GPU architecture video cards, 12 GB of VRAM. That was more than enough to run Counter-Strike Go at 16K resolution. Pascal GPU architecture was crashing at 16K resolution as well, and I think this is due to the GPU cache limitation. And Turing GPU architecture is the first GPU architecture where RTX 2080 Ti video card is the cheapest video card that allows us to run, or Titan RTX that allows us to run Counter-Strike Go at 16K resolution, guys. And I recorded that video, the world's first 16K resolution video as well of Counter-Strike Go. Go ahead and check it out. In the end of this video, I'm going to include it for you to check it out. But as again, guys, as you can see right now, we have a lot of things going on the screen. Let me real quick go ahead and unload a lot of screen, a lot of units. Here we go. We unloaded a lot of units right now on the screen, almost the whole map. A lot of stuff going on. We still, as you can see, we're still at 246 FPS. So 246 FPS to 45 FPS will be our average, no matter what, as you can see, guys. And it's scaling pretty well in this game, but as again, this is mostly like a 2D game, understandable, but the latency delay is incredible, below 5 milliseconds. Absolutely amazing experience and performance on the RTX 2080 Ti single video card. Guys, it doesn't matter. Today I'm using EVGA RTX 2080 Ti XC Ultra dual fan design video card, but pretty much the performance will be the same on any RTX 2080 Ti video cards, guys. Okay, it's the average performance of the RTX 2080 Ti video cards. I'm just curious, what is the Titan RTX with the maximum overclock will show us at the home safe environment. But this is for the home safe environment. You're going to be above 240 FPS average, guys. All right. As again, I'm recording with the shadow play, so you can add about 3 FPS. This is the without the recording what I saw, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me real quick go ahead and shut it down, and we're going to wrap it up, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. As again, you watched today the first 16K resolution rendered Starcraft video, guys. Legacy or classic, it doesn't matter. Same engine, same everything. And 5.3 gigahertz i9-9900K will be unmatchable for any Ryzen 3000 series CPUs, guys, because this frequency is just untouchable for the AMD, even the new Ryzen 3000 series. Hopefully I'm going to upload this video at 8K resolution. If not, it's going to be available at 4K resolution. Go ahead and switch the highest possible resolution under the YouTube player. As again, don't forget to smash that like button, positive comments, guys, and check out the videos right now that I'm putting for you. Look at that beautiful background picture of the system that I'm using today. Positive comments, I will answer only the positive comments, only the positive or comments that make sense. The trolls and stuff will be ignored, and I will see you guys in the next videos. I play 4K, aka I play 16K. Till the next time. Peace!